So if you, I'll show you the countries, different countries where the people are earning much. Okay, I'll show you the countries where people are earning much for the freelancing. Just like USA is the topmost. Then after that, there are other countries like India is in fifth or sixth position. Okay, see here you can see the top 10 countries for freelancer. Okay, United States is the number one. Then United Kingdom, Brazil, Pakistan, Hurricane, Philippines, India, Bangladesh, Russia, and Serbia. Okay, so if you see like India is in seventh position, and after that Bangladesh is coming. Okay, and most of the people, the percentage of the people over here is only 29%, and this is the recent news itself. This is not that much old. It is a 2019 information. Okay, still we are not aware about the freelancing job, freelancing career. We are not grooming ourselves for the freelancing, but I can say you from the freelancer, you can earn too much. Okay, there are so many freelancing sites also there, like sites like, I'll show you the Upwork account. Upwork is a freelancer, that is like, here you can have your own account for that. Okay, this is the freelancer. Another is the freelancer itself. Freelancer. Okay, uh, freelancing, freelancers. Another site is also there for freelancer people. Okay, so there are several sites are there who are giving the job opportunity to the freelancers. Okay, so there are so many sites, and in freelancing, what are the career you can choose for as a freelancer, whether it's IT, whether it comes to any kind of writing job, digital marketing, inside marketing, or anything like content writer or a videographer, anything. You will get hundreds of jobs in freelancer. Okay, and besides your job, you can start your own business as well. Likewise, I have also started my own business in own work itself. Okay, uh, like this is my own site itself. If you search in this, you can get know about like, I have also started my own from the freelancing, because I want to start my career from something like from the new itself. I just want to grow myself in freelancing something, my own business, because I have already like 2 to 3 years of experience, but still I just want to have my own experience into freelancing. I just want to have my own business. How much experience I have gathered all, and I have started my own thing. Okay, so this is my own site which I have created my own, and this is the whole information I have just, I did each and everything by own itself, and that's why I just keep my name only here. So that is, it looks ridiculous, but that is true. Okay, so likewise you can check it out, all the things. This all are did means the whole site, the design, the writing, each and everything has been done by me, the done by me and only. Okay, myself only. So likewise I have done the whole things and all. There are few there were few changes that can be done in the future as well. Like, it depends upon the requirement of the people, requirement of the business. Okay, so this is just a normal idea. I'm just discussing with you so that you will get an idea like what we are doing and all, why freelancing is important for the future. And if you want to have your own business, the first more thing, you should start as a freelancer. From the freelancer, you can get know like how to handle a project, how to handle a business. Then after that, slowly you will get an idea like how you can start your business. Then once you feel like, yeah, I'm more capable enough to have my own business, then after that you can start your own business as well. Okay, own business in the sense, whether it comes to IT or any projects, you can handle anything. You will get a confidence, and that confidence you will get from the freelancing job or freelancer, as a freelancer. Okay, so that's why I just suggest each and everyone, like, start your career as a freelancer. Then it will be quite good to start your own business after 5 years or 10 years, so whenever you want, you can start your business as well. Okay, so let's start our discussion with all Jilly. Like, I have already shared all the documents, all the information with you, so that you will get all the details, like what we are doing, how we are doing, and all. So you'll get all the idea about that. So let me discuss like how we're working, how many people are there itself. Okay. So here is the system console where you can see like how many people are working. Like for Quick UGC itself, for one process there are near about 100 people are working. Okay, and currently we have so many requirement on that. Like currently if I'll show you my stats itself, we'll get like 7 lakh videos are still pending. Okay, see here 7 lakh videos are pending, and here near about 6 lakh pending is there. Yeah, 6 lakh pending is there. Okay, so till now people have already reviewed more than 1 lakh. See, 1,80,000 is already being reviewed, and here 30,000, because uh, this is for UGC. And I'll tell you about the difference between quick and content. Content quick review is means that is for all the people, like someone has like take an example. uh, it is for Jilly. So if I'm a user of Jilly, I just upload a video on Jilly app. Then after that, it comes for the review. Okay, after being reviewed, it get a permission to means display on the app itself. Because see, there are different kinds of there are different kinds of people in this world. Some people may upload good videos, some people may upload the bad videos. Okay, so when it comes to bad videos, if you search about the Jilly, you will get know about Jilly is for 12 plus people. Okay, 12 plus kids. So as it is for 12 plus kids, so we can't pass any kind of bad videos over there. Okay, so that's why we'll get a penalty for that. And if you pass any bad videos, even we'll get also penalty from the Google as well. So there are certain things, that's why we need to follow the auditing standard what is over there. We can't pass any kind of bad videos which is not as per our policy. See here, it is you can see like here only 12 plus people are rated for that. Okay, so this is for 12 plus people. So 12 plus means the children are just like they are new to these things and all. Still I can get no, like nowadays right now the people, the kids are like 7 to 8 years old, are more mature. Okay, but still it is like we shouldn't share which is bad. Okay, so that's why we have to follow the Google rules, and the same time we need to follow the Jilly auditing rules as well. So what your role will be, so quick UGC, like we have to, this is the quality check 1 review, and this is for quality check 2 review. Okay, so in quality check 1 review, you have to check the videos, like what is the videos is all about. If you find like if video is bad, then you have to deny it. If you find like video is good, appropriate to pass the video, then you can pass such kind of videos. Okay, so it is for quality check 2. Quality check 2 is people are more like they are more little bit more experienced than you, because we mostly prefer like those who have already worked with us more than 1 month, we choose for them. But the price but the price is same for both of them. But the quality quick review, there is more deduction, little bit more. It can be like maximum, I can say like it is maximum like 3,000 maximum, it goes for 3,000. It's not like if you earn like 10,000, from that we are deducting 3,000. It's not like that. If someone is earning like 20,000 or 30,000 like that, from there it's fine to deduct like 3,000 if someone is really doing some kind of mistakes. Okay, so in such scenario we have our calculation policy. I will show you, like it is not that much difficult to understand the things. But sometimes as per the requirement of the client, when the client deducts so much, at that time we also manipulate little bit thing, so that our auditors will get a proper salary, because that is the thing, that is the best. That's why they are working, right? Why auditors will work? They are working for their salary. They were not working for means something like here they are not getting much benefit. The companies for medical allowances, the traveling allowances, there are so many allowances. We are not providing all the things. They are working here for salary. So why should you deduct the salary? So we have to be very conscious about deducting policy. But one thing we just suggest our auditors to check the videos very carefully, because that is the only thing we would want for someone else. Because we are not asking, we are not charging a single penny for your, and we are not asking you anything like any kind of document as well. We're just asking like you were just expecting like you just give your 5 hours time, 5 to 6 hour time for dedicatedly, and the same time you just need to understand the rules of or understand the rules whatever is there. So as per that, if once you understand the rules, it will be quite easier for you while you start working. Okay, so it is not that much difficult to understand the things what we are doing, and it is very easier to understand. Okay, that is just a normal, like you are a normal person, you are just a normal, just take it as a normal review. behavior, normal person. If something is not good for your eyes, if you feel like it's something is really bad to watch, so how can you pass such kind of video? That is just a common sense. That is the common sense you can apply over here. Similar common sense, but at the same time, so we have also similar other rules which maybe you confuse. That's why we have certain rules and regulation in a documented format. Okay. So quick review, the X factor is less, but content review, those who are working for QC2, the X factor is a little bit more over here because they are the quality check too. After they're checking, so the video will directly placed in the Play Store. Videos will directly play on the app itself. Okay, that will placed on the app itself. So that's why their work is more vital than as compared to the QC one. So whenever a person newly joined, we place them in the queue for quick review. Then after that, we give them chance for the after 1 to 2 months when we feel like they are working very perfectly, they have no mistakes. Then we can give them chance for the UGC review. Okay, so this is the only difference between that and funny review. It is something different. It is for like funny reviews. It's something they're like this is a tagging kind of system. I'll show you like how the videos is like this. What is the difference? Here you can see like different tags over here. Okay, here the price is a little bit more, but this same time also here the videos are very less. The people who are working over here they are getting very less videos. That's the only difference. Otherwise this is also quite fine, and the difference is just that much. Okay, okay. Here you can see the categories like we have different kind of we have many categories over here: acting, culture, game, lifestyle, different kind of categories over here. You have to just mark the category as per that. As per the category, this same video will be placed on the Play Store, sorry, not Play Store, on the app, on that category only. Okay, if you mark on technology, then technological video will be played on that only. Okay, so that is the only difference. And how you have to check it over here? Here you will get the same thing. Here you will get only the videos only. Okay, here you will get 5 videos in one page, and you have to just check all the videos, then you have to pass all. Okay, this is how you need to do it. Okay, so how we can pass it, or what is the rules of that? So when you start checking these videos, so at that time you need to check like whether this video is good or bad. If the video is good, then you need to pass it. No, not like one by one. Otherwise if you pass one by one, it will be quite time taking. Okay, that's why it's better to go for means all the video, first check all the videos, then after that you can just you can go for the pass all. If you find any video which is bad, then at that time you need to choose this off option. So the rules has been done, the rules has been here just for the off options, not for pass option, because pass video is just for passing only. But when it comes to deny, at that time you should know like what are the rules and criteria. Based on that we deny a video. So that's why we have 4 options for that. One is the for erotic, then bloody violence, other critical, and non-critical. Okay, this for 3 year falls under the critical, and this is for falls under the non-critical. Okay, and sometimes recently, as we have so many videos, we are facing so many problems with thumbnails. Otherwise, you like when you start checking the videos, at that time from the thumbnail itself, you'll get all the ideas how what is the video is all about. You don't have to spend time on checking the videos. Like I just check like it's video ka thumbnail bahut achhi hai. Okay, I don't have to spend time on checking the videos. What is this video is all about? What is the content it's all about? Because I got an idea like this is all about the status. Someone has written something on her hand. That is fine. Okay, so when it comes to such kind of video, when you feel like there are kids or some kind of such kind of activities, most of the time kids actually become naked. Okay, so that is the thing. That's why we need to be very careful while checking any kind of kids videos. Okay, so that is the only difference. That's why you not need to be very careful while you check the kids videos, because बच्चे लोग क्या होता है कि उनको कोई भी नंगा कर देता है. मतलब वैसे ही थोड़ा ऐसे खेलते रहते वहां पे अचानक से कोई आके पेंट उनका खोल देगा. अचानक से वो सारे वीडियो एक्चुअली एरोटिक के अंदर जाती है. Okay, I'll show you the erotic videos as well. So that's why we need to be very careful when you see the kids. Okay, And जो जहाँ पे थोड़ा conversation रहता है, when you find any kind of conversation like 2 to 3 people are there, at that time you need to be spend some time because there maybe someone is using any kind of vulgar words, and rest of the videos is fine to pass. Like someone is here, you can see like one person is just doing a kind of videos, okay, such kind of video is fine to pass until unless just listen it first, middle and last, like what is the video is all about. Okay, like I just check the video over here, like what is the video is all about, I just play over here, and I can get know if the person is singing a song, so I don't have to spend my time for checking such kind of videos. And this is a status kind of videos. You might be know about the what is the status videos, like where which are the video which we can play, which we can share as a status. Status means just a song and where the image, one image and song, or there are people where the people have their own image then song. So this is called as the status kind of videos. Okay, so this is all about. So likewise, if after checking all the videos, then you need to pass all. Okay, because if you go for one pass one by one, it is quite time taking. It is very difficult to do because हमारे हाथ भी दुख जाता है इतना टाइम हम पास करते करते. उससे अच्छा है कि पास all कर दो. It's good for each and everything. Okay, so that's why this is how you need to work. Okay. So let's start about like rules and regulation. After that, you get the idea like क्या क्या है, कैसे हम लोग काम करते हैं and all. Okay. Sure. See, this is the rules and regulation which I have already shared with you, and there is rules and regulation is very means it is very easy to understand the things. Okay, see, first one is the drug thing. If you find any drug video, like drug in the sense, if you find alcohol, cigarette, so पहले क्या होता था कि initially we are denying all the alcohol and cigarette videos, okay, but later on we realized that there are certain people who are complaining against us, like why you are denying our videos for alcohol and cigarette, because it is very common for many people. Okay, that's why they just inform like no, we need to pass the videos. Then client just inform us no, you just pass all the cigarette and alcohol videos, not hookah, gudka, weed or any kind of drug. If you find any kind of drug, if someone is using, then we have to put them into critical. If that is in image format, then we have to put in the non-critical. That I will show you the difference, how we are putting critical and non-critical. Once you start working on that, I'll help you with the example itself. But for the timing, just do one thing, just keep one thing in mind, like you need to pass all videos of alcohol and cigarette, whether it's image, movie or any user is using. Rest all the videos you need to pass those kind of videos. Okay, but you have to deny what are the videos. If you find someone is using hookah, gudka, any kind of weed or anything drug related, whether it's heroin or anything, opium or something like that, which is illegal. Okay, so we need to deny all such kind of videos, drug videos. So, but this is for adult cases. For minor cases who are up to teenage, like 15 years, minimum 15 years तक अगर कोई use कर रहा है, mostly children cases we are considering. So if you find any teen, any minor who is using any kind of drug, whether it's alcohol, cigarette, hookah, gudka, anything, whatever the drug is, if you find any small kid is even holding also any alcohol bottle, still you need to deny, because see, kids are very innocent. They don't have any idea. Whatever we will teach them, they will learn such kind of things. So better we shouldn't teach them anything bad. So that's why if you find any kid or any baby is holding any kind of alcohol bottle or something like that, still you need to deny, because holding also we are not allowing for the minor cases, for kid cases mostly. For mature people it's fine, matlab matured in the sense 10 to 12 years old. If someone is just holding and just drinking, try to drink such kind of things, then we need to deny. And if you find any kind of adult person, adult like after 18 years, those who have proper knowledge, like whatever they are doing and all, who has the mature brain, so we are talking about them. So above 18 people we are denying for all the kind of cases, like if they are using hookah, gudka, weed or any kind of drug, then we are denying then we have to deny such kind of video. Rest all the kind of like alcohol, cigarette, all the videos we are passing. Okay, so this is for drug cases. Animal cases, we are passing all the animal related videos except If you find any videos where the animal private part has been shown perfectly, like sometimes you will find like animal के पास इतना ब्रेन नहीं होता कि इंसान क्या कर रहा है उनके साथ. Okay, so if you find any videos, if you find like any videos where someone is taking a video of the particular the private part of any animal, mostly dog or a cat or anyone, mostly people are taking the videos of dog itself. Okay, so if you find any उनका private part को ऐसे show कर रहा है, zoom करके दिखा रहे हैं, if whether it comes to dog or any animal, mostly cow or any animal, if you find, then you need to deny such kind of videos. Horse mostly, so such kind of videos it's strictly deny. Or sexual acts, I will show you some examples of sexual acts. Recently I have shared two videos which it will be quite easier to understand the things and all. I have already explained, I have already shared the links for that as well. Just take those links, and similar links you can find out in all for all the animals, because all the animal sexual their work, it's sorry, the sexual activities is one type. So from that only you can get an idea like what is their procedure of doing the sex and all. So, okay, so this is the only thing. So from this video, if you find such kind of videos from the thumbnail itself, you don't have to open the video. You from the thumbnail itself you can get an idea, and you strictly deny from the without watching the video as well. If you don't find good, if you can allow to deny such kind of video without watching it as well. Okay, so you are allowed to do like you are allowed to deny such kind of video which are bad, but good videos you can't deny. Like there are certain people, I'll tell you about what are the videos we don't deny, which you feel like it should be denied because it is a kind of useless video, but we are not denying that. I'll just tell you about that as well. Okay, so see, and weapons video, we are passing all the weapons video, whether it's like gun, knife, sword, anything. Okay, we're passing all the weapons video except for minor cases. If you find any minor is using any kind of weapon, whether it's a kind of sword, gun, or a knife, if it is real gun, because most of the time you may be confused with children toy gun, because children are using the toy gun. Sometimes you find like children holding any kind of toy gun. At that time you need to pass it, or the rest of the videos you need to strictly deny. Okay, but adult cases, if you find someone is threatening or crime scene, then only you need to deny. Okay, rest of the videos you need to pass, because that is something like it is fine, we can pass such kind of video where someone is swinging the gun, means it's not swinging the gun, some professional kind of act, someone is shooter kind of people, or athletics, or movies in something like that, or someone is having the gun itself, it's fine to pass. Okay, but if someone is using that for threatening or crime scene, then we have to strictly deny. Okay, for weapons for children, for if that is real, then we have to deny it strictly. I have already given the examples, you just need to check it out once. Okay, China reference we need to deny. So what are the China reference we are denying right now? So if you find it is funny video, it is fine to pass. But if you find someone is insulting the China PM, prime minister, or if you find like if someone is insulting like their minister, their leaders, or their China's ka food jo hai, if you someone is means insulting their foods, like how the China people are eating, like sometimes you will find like some kind of disgusting food China people are having. Okay, so you need to deny such kind of videos as well. Okay, so you need to be very careful what are the video you need to pass, or what are the videos you need to deny. Okay, vulgar language, if you find if any video has more than two vulgar language or vulgar words, then you need to deny. Like in English you will find fuck, mf, dick, bitch, pussy, such kind of words are very casual, like these are the very most usually vulgar word. And Hindi, these are the word you may be heard about, these are the words. So these are the words, if you find if any video has more than two vulgar words, then you need to deny. If that is like if there is only one or two vulgar words is there, then it is fine to pass. Okay, so these are the things you need to keep it in mind, because previously we are denying all the videos even we find one vulgar word, but currently we are passing the videos which have two vulgar words, more than two vulgar words, then we have to deny it. Okay, so this is for vulgar language. For army cases, if you find any videos where the army is death, burnt, blurred, or blast, like if you find any blast video where the army has been dead, so these are the videos we need to deny. Means I can say like it is very painful to see where the army person is dead, dead face, like dead body if you find, or a burnt, anything such kind of videos which is painful to see of the army person, then we need to deny, because we respect the army people and this is their work for, they are giving their life for the country. So this is not the joke, so we can't pass such kind of videos. But yes, we can pass all the videos which are celebration based, if some good moments, dancing, movie scenes, or anything where army person is just showing their life and etc. Means anything we can pass. But so if it is something like very painful to see, we need to deny such kind of videos. Okay. Religious talk, like if someone is say comparing their religion with other religion, like sometimes you might be seen, might be heard about the Muslim people are talking about this, like how Hindu people are doing the work and how Hindu people are culture is all about. Such kind of insulting or comparison based religious talk we need to deny. But if someone is saying like their own self thoughts, like if any Hindu person like talking about the religious talk, or if Muslim people is talking about how the Quran, what is all about the Quran and what is their lifestyle and all, it's fine to pass. But if they start comparing with other religion, then we have to strictly deny, because that is biasness is coming and we can't pass as such kind of biased videos. Okay, so that we need to be keep in mind. And political videos, mostly if you find anything regarding to Modi ji, it's, if it is funny, it is fine to pass. But if it is insulting, like if you find like someone is scolding Modi ji, or someone is using Modi ji's name in wrong sense, if someone is insulting, using any kind of vulgar words for Modi ji, and if they are portraying Modi ji in a bad videos, so such kind of video is fine to deny. Even we can deny other for other leaders as well. Like if you find any videos where you will see like someone is slapping the Kejriwal, so such kind of video is strictly deny as well, because we can't pass any kind of video which are insulting the leaders, any political leaders. So that is means fine to deny. But if it is funny sense, that is quite funny, that is quite fine to pass, because funny videos we can pass. But if that is insulting kind of videos, we can deny. Horror videos, like horror videos के अंदर आपको, there are certain types of horror videos you may get, like where the someone is like suddenly shout on something else, or if someone has horror face, or someone has like horror face, not like कि if someone has the like, कभी कभार ऐसे होता है कि लोग अपना ये यूज करते हैं, फिल्टर यूज करते हैं, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली फाइन. बट इन मूवी सेंस जो में जहाँ पे जिस तरह से हॉरर रहती है, सच काइंड ऑफ हॉरर वीडियोस वी नीड टू डिनाई. एंड समटाइम्स आल्सो जो बोलते हैं कि कुछ ऐसे तंत्र मंत्र टाइप का वीडियोस सारे रहते हैं, वो सारे को भी हमको डिनाई करना है, बिकॉज दीज आर द misleading videos. I can say these are the misleading or blind beliefs videos which we never pass such kind of video, because we are not promoting any kind of blind belief. So that's why we need to deny such kind of videos. Okay. PUBG, all PUBG videos we are passing. Okay, so PUBG videos सारे के सारे pass होती है, except if you find any kind of cartoon or PUBG videos which are bad sense, so we need to deny such kind of videos. Okay, so all the PUBG videos we are passing. Animal cruelty, like if someone is killing or selling animals, then we need to strictly deny. Okay, this is all about the animal cruelty. So critical sense, in critical videos there are there are three type of critical videos. One is the erotic, bloody violence, and other critical. In erotic you will find porn, animal sex, or sexual acts, or these are the things you will find about the erotic. Bloody violence, you will find the videos like videos with violence including the blood itself, the animal killing, anything like that. Or other criticals, you will find the vulgar language, drug, etc. Okay, so these are the videos that comes under the erotic, bloody violence, and other critical. Mostly we are not passing any kind of videos which are erotic and bloody violence. We are strictly deny these two kind of videos, so be careful on that. So if you find any videos which is erotic and bloody violence, strictly deny. We are denying these videos, but these two videos we are giving more priority. Okay, and non-critical, phone number, lattices, semi-nudes, picnic ladies, so these are the videos we are denying. Okay, so these are the things from this you will get an idea like what are the videos we are denying and what are the videos we are passing. Okay, so next video it will be This video, this will again means this meeting will be exhausted, sorry, this meeting will be ended after like 2 minutes. So we can start our meeting then in this link. Okay, you can click on this link, 2:30 link for the next section. So in the next section we'll tell about the we'll discuss about the salary structure. We'll discuss about this link as well, like what are the videos we are passing on, what are the videos we are denying. Still until this link has been means this will be stopped, means sorry, this will be ended, this session will be ended. Before moving ahead to next session, just quickly wrap up this one so that it will be quite easier for you to understand the things, and it will be quite easier to finish it soon as well. Okay, so that we have proper time for discussing the salary structure. If you have any doubts, we can discuss on that time as well. Okay, for our next session. So there will be no need for third session as well. Okay, so we can easily wrap up all the things within perfect time and all. So see, these are the videos we are passing. Okay, it is called as the dual sense video or sexual videos. Okay, so there are certain times previously what we are doing now. There are two type of people in this world. Well, one is the person who is like very conservative people, and one other person is like who are liberal kind. Okay, those who are conservative, they are denying all such kind of videos as well. Okay, but it is not true. There are certain things we are what people are used to. Like if I'm talking about bikini ladies nowadays, in this side if you find many bikini ladies are there, it is fine to pass. Okay, so there are certain rules that therefore they have given us such kind of rules, so that we need to follow such kind of rules, and based on that we need to pass the video or deny the videos. Okay, so this will help you to clear our doubts on what are the videos we need to pass or need to deny. Okay, so you can get a clear idea on this. So we are offlining videos which has the sexual intention, like the sexual parts or showing private parts or psyching or inducing sexual acts, which actually which has bad intention. We need to deny such kind of videos. Rest all the videos we need to pass, because there is dress has nothing to do with sex. It's all about if someone is inducing that. Okay, so that is the only fundamentals which